You cannot violate a treaty that Nigeria entered into and then come to try that very person is not done anywhere in the world. So you must be aware of that. So that is why there is all these ridiculous delays.
It seems the federal government is not ready to go down without a fight with the case of Nnamdi Kanu, even though the Supreme Court has said that Nnamdi Kanu has no case with the federal government, that they have to first of all follow the rendition law before trying Nnamdi Kanu. But the federal government is insisting that Nnamdi Kanu has committed a lot of atrocities and treasonally offense against the Federal Republic of Nigeria. They are not just going to let him go like that. So the Federal High Court in Abuja has admitted in evidence a radio transmitter allegedly smuggled into the country by Nnamdi Kanu. That is where we are now. The detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, was brought to court on Friday, and at the court session on Friday, an operative of the Department of State Service, DSS, identified as DDD. They are not using their actual names. I've explained that in my previous video because of how capital the case is. They don't want to end up being the testifier and at the end of the day being unalived. So identified as DDD for security reasons, told the court how Kanu allegedly smuggled a radio transmitter into the country concealed in a 20-foot container alongside household items. Now, here are some things that the court has admitted in evidence. Number one is the radio transmitter. The court also admitted in evidence a certified copy of the search warrant issued by a chief magistrate court in Iyala on October 28, 2015. So the search warrant has equally been admitted in evidence. Another one is a video recording showing Kanu inspecting the transmitter was also tendered and admitted despite initial objections by the defense team led by Onyeshi Ibazu. The prosecution, which are the DSS, tendered a flash drive containing 18 video clips and 16 radio broadcasts attributed to Kanu, which the court admitted as evidence. The court also admitted a newspaper in which an alleged ESM member claimed that Kanu ordered the collection of 2,000 human heads for burial rites, although only 30 were reportedly obtained. So a newspaper was equally admitted in evidence. Now, what is Kanu saying in all this, or what is his legal team doing for him to be out of court? Number one is that the prosecution team, which are the DSS and the federal government, cannot win this case. If they eventually win it, it is just as normal, the corruption that is in Nigeria, because the Supreme Court has already told you guys that you have to follow the rendition order to bring back this man first, then that's when we'll be able to listen to you. But if you have not followed the rendition order, then whatever you are doing is just tempering on this guy's right. And he did not fly to Kenya with Nigerian passports. He flew in with the British passport. So you do not even have any right to persecute a British citizen in a Nigerian soil. So there are many unfamiliar things going on here, but the federal government knows what they are doing, and whatever they are doing, they are going to win it because it is corrupt means. But at the end of the day, the truth will eventually come out. The only thing here is that if you listen to Nnamdi Kanu broadcast, you understand that this man is only angry that his people are not being taken care of. And instead of the federal government to look at the actual terrorists who are unaliving innocent civilians in Benue, Kogi, Jos, Enugu, and several states in Nigeria, they are busy chasing shadows. They always chase shadows. That's what they end up doing. They don't chase the right people who are destroying the country because they are benefiting from terrorism. Well, let's see how it goes. Or let me know what you guys think in the comment section. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe, like and follow our page, share our videos as well. Thanks for watching.